Bro, the difference is crazy. I have never done laminated brows before, but I'm gonna be doing it today, and I figure I look like this, and it also comes with all the tools that you need. Your brow up. It says to put Vaseline around your brows to protect your skin barrier. It says to use the 5. It's giving. Definitely you need to trim those. Bro, the difference. It says to leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes. So cute. Off. Apply number 2, which is this one. I'm just gonna wipe it off. Like, kind of like lotion. And then it's been 10 minutes. Now it says to shape the brow how you want and trim it, pluck it, do whatever you want. Now you just cleanse off everything